After ma-entry po, an assessment form and payment order will be printed by our system. Tapos nandun po nakalagay yung registration fee. The registration fee is based on the type of transaction and the consideration which can be found po doon sa deed po na binigay ninyo. Pero if let's say it's a deed of donation, so walang consideration, it will be based on the assessed value po ng property. Entry, tapos ma-print na po yung assessment form, the next step would be to pay the registration fee sa cashier po. Nabayaran po sa cashier, doon lang po pwede mag-proceed sa next module po. Yung next module po namin is the encoding module. Sa encoding module, doon po itatype ng encoder namin yung details ng documents po na nasilabit. Kunwari, deed of sale, syempre i-encode niya kung sino na ba yung magiging new owner, yung address ng new owner. I-check po nila lahat po yun na ilalagay.